Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to generate baby 3D avatars just by using the CC5 Headshot 3 plugin. This is an AI plugin that you can just use any of a baby headshot photo. It will automatically generate any of the baby 3D avatar according to the photo. And finally, you will get a 3D avatar, a baby 3D avatar that it is ready for any of the game project like Unreal Engine, Blender, 3D animation software, any of the 3D software, any of the game engine. So start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this. Let's go. Alright, first you need to have the Character Creator 5, the CC5. You can get it from my video description, and also you need the Headshot 3 plugin that already installed in your computer. You can activate from here, Headshot 3 plugin, then open the image generator, and next you need to have a headshot picture, a sample picture. For example, this is a baby headshot picture. I'm going to use this picture for demo. So next, drag the sample picture into the image. Then from here you can just select any of the face shape, or you can just make it normal. Next, go to the body, and the body type, choose baby. Click generate. You back to the head, you can select generate hair if you want the hairstyle together. So I will just select generate hair, and then back to the body. I click generate, everything will automatically generate. Just wait for a few seconds. Now the AI is generating the face mesh and the body mesh. It just left a few seconds. Now it's almost done. It is creating the head mesh and also the hairstyle. It just left a few more seconds. Alright, finally it's done. This is the baby 3D avatar that generated from this photo. The Headshot 3 plugin is an AI plugin that it will automatically read the photo and make it as a 3D mesh, the 3D head mesh, and also the hair mesh. You can use this baby to just click File, Export, FBX, Close Character. You can export for any of the target software like Maya, Unity 3D, Blender, Unreal Engine, etc. Just export as FBX and import into game engine or any other 3D software. It is really a convenience tool that for your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate 3D babies avatar just from any headshot picture by using the CC5 Character Creator 5 Headshot 3 plugin. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell for all notifications so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.